So what we have here is a 3D printed vessel. It's actually a light, so I can put the light inside. It's printed on translucent material. This is P-TEG, which is basically the same thing that soda bottles are made out of. So the whole thing will flicker with its own kind of light if I pop a light in there, okay? What we're going to do is use Arduino-driven sensors to have a contained auto-powered light so we can send these lights out into the Grasse River and have them have an interaction with each other based on their coordinates. How Arduinos work is they're a little chip. I just plugged it in the computer there. They're a little chip that's kind of like the same processor that's in your remote control cars, drones, things like that. This is a really small one, but it's programmable for quite an array of functions. It's got about 24 pins on it, so you can really set up some complex operations through it. What we're doing is a fairly simple operation. It's just the logistics that are getting complicated. So right now we have this Arduino set to have this blue light until the coordinates reach the coordinates that we want, and then the coordinates are going to change the feed and it's going to change to green. This is the GPS sensor. You see that it's pinging there, so it's actually transmitting coordinates. So I'll show you what that looks like. I should be able to show you the GPS coordinates here. So right now it's transmitting a longitude and latitude position, and when that longitude and latitude position is within the rectangle that I designate, so when things get close to the bridge where we're going to be all watching this, I'm going to have the light change color. So I've already made some successful tests of this, so I'll show you that what this looks like in the field. They're going to run off of a 9-volt battery, and we'll see if I can put everything in here without detaching it. That's part of the challenge of all this, is keeping all the MacGyver-esque parts from losing a connection, or there's a lot of things that can go wrong in every unit. So I think we've got that all tucked in there. And actually I can probably show you how well this lights up here. And it's hard to tell how bright this actually is in the light that we have, but when the ambient light goes down at dusk, this really glows pretty strongly.